from Brianna's Braids, and I have Brianna with me today, and we want to show you how to add a ribbon to a 3-strand braid. So let me turn you around. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get started.
Tonight we're running on the right track.
I have a hair parted straight down the middle and angled to the side. Now take a small section of the hair, split it to 3 equal strands, and put your right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle. Right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Right strand, add a bit of hair to that strand and cross it under the middle. Left strand, add the hair to it and cross it under the middle. Continue braiding until you reach the neck.
Freaking out to the beat, you freak out, sing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control.
Now that you've picked up all the hair and reached the neck, I will take my ribbon and wrap it around the middle string. The length of the ribbon that I'm taking folded, it's the length of Brianna's hair. So from the left I have strand of hair, ribbon, ribbon, and 2 strands of hair. So I'm starting from the right. Put your outer strand under the next strand, over the ribbon, under the ribbon. Now outer strand goes under the next strand, over the ribbon, and under the ribbon. Again, from the right, outer strand goes under the hairs, over the ribbon, under the ribbon. From the left, outer strand goes under the next strand, over the ribbon, under the ribbon. From the right, outer strand goes under the next strand, over the ribbon, under the ribbon. And from the left, under the hair, over the ribbon, under the ribbon. Continue all the way down and secure the braid in the end with an elastic.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you.
Let's do a final step.
I believe, 'cause I want you here with me.
If you like this tutorial, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being uploaded. And as usual, all the products that I used in this video I will link down below in the description box, and we will see you next Thursday for another tutorial. Bye!